turning endlessly, searching for what cannot be found. If the mind observes the mind who is watching from behind, there is a stillness deeper yet, a silent light that never bends. I am the witness, calm and clear, not the noise that pulls with fear, beyond the thoughts that come and go. I am the one who always knows. The mind remembers doubts and plans, builds its stories grain by grain. Yet something stands untouched by time, unmoved by loss, unchanged by gain. Not another thought in view, not a mirror facing you. There is a presence, steady hold, the quiet knower of the soul. I am the witness, calm and clear, not the noise that pulls with fear, beyond the thoughts that come and go. I am the one who always knows. When the mind begins to rest, truth appears without a test. No endless loop, no fractured view. The observer stands outside it.